The first idea is to install under cabinet lighting. So, adding under cabinet lighting can transform your kitchen by illuminating your countertops, making it way easier to perform tasks like chopping and reading recipes. LED strip lights or park lights are popular choices. Those lights can be easily installed with adhesive backing or screws and can be plugged into an outlet or hardwired. They come in various color temperatures from warm, white to daylight to match your kitchen ambiance. Secondly, add a backsplash. A backsplash can add color, textures and personality to your kitchen. Options include traditional subway tiles, vibrant mosaic tiles, or even metal or glass tiles. Peel and stick tiles are a budget-friendly option that is easy to install. A backsplash protects your walls from splashes and spills, making it clean, easier and adding a finished look to your kitchen. Furthermore, create a coffee station. Designate a specific area of your kitchen for a coffee station. Include coffee maker, espresso machine, mugs and storage containers for coffee beans, sugar and other essentials. This dedicated space can be as simple as a corner of your countertops. As a custom-built coffee bar, adding a few decorative elements like a chalkboard, sign, or a small shelf for mugs can make the space feel more cozy and inviting. Fourthly, incorporate open shelving. Open shelving can replace some upper cabinets to create an airy and open feel in your kitchen. Use these shelves to display your favorite dishes, glassware, and decorative items. Open shelves are also practical for storing frequently used items within easy reach. To keep shelves looking tidy, use baskets and bins to organize smaller items and avoid overcrowding. Adding a kitchen island will also be a good choice. A kitchen island can provide additional counter space, storage and seating. If space allows, consider an island with built-in features like wine rack, prep sink, or additional drawers. An island can serve as a focal point in the kitchen and gathering spot for family and friends. Ensure there is enough clearance around the island for easy movement and access to appliances. A lot of people do not notice that upgrading your faucet is also a very important choice. Installing a high-quality modern faucet can improve both the look and functionality of your kitchen. Consider a touchless faucet for convenience and hygiene, or a pull-down sprayer for easy cleaning. Faucet comes in various finishes like stainless steel, chrome, and matte black to match your kitchen decor. Incorporating a chalkboard wall. Paint sections of your kitchen wall with chalkboard paint to create a functional and fun space. Use it for grocery list, meal planning, or even as a creative outlet for your kids. A chalkboard wall adds a rustic charm to the kitchen and can be easily customized and updated. Upgrading your appliances will also be a good choice to enhance your kitchen. Investing in new energy-efficient appliances can modernize your kitchen and improve its functionality. Stainless steel appliances are popular for their sleek and modern look. Smart appliances offer advanced results like remote control via apps, voice activations, and energy-saving modes. If you want to enhance your kitchen furthermore, you have to install a pull-out pantry. Maximizing storage with a pull-out pantry unit. These units fit into narrow spaces and slide out to provide easy access to pantry items. Adjustable shelves and baskets allow you to customize the storage to fit your needs. Pull-out pantry also can keep items organized and easily accessible. Furthermore, to add a herb garden. Create a small indoor herb garden on your window sill or countertop. Fresh herbs enhance your cooking and add a touch of the greenery to your kitchen. Use small pots, a tiered stand, or a vertical garden system. Herbs like basil, parsley, and mint are easy to grow indoors and can be harvested as needed. Breakfast nook is one of the best choice to enhance your kitchen. Design a cozy breakfast nook with a small table and built-in benches or chairs. This small space can be used for casual meals, morning coffee, or as a place for kids to do homework. Add cushions, pillows, and a small counterpiece to make the nook inviting and comfortable. This enhancement will make your kitchen look more stylish and more functional. Adding a spice rack drawer will also be a good choice to enhance your kitchen. This is why spice rack drawer provide you the organization ability. They help you to keep spices neatly arranged and easily accessible. Furthermore, space saving provided by spice rack drawer. They free up your counter space by providing a dedicated spot for spices. They also provide you to improve your efficiency as you can quickly find the spices you need while cooking. Using the transparent storage containers. This is why the transparent storage container will also be a good choice to enhance your kitchen environment. These containers make it easy to see the contents, reducing the time spent searching for items. Secondly, they help you to maintain a tidy and organized pantry or cabinet, while also retain the freshness, especially for dry goods like flour, sugar, and cereal. Last but not least, we can add a built-in knife block. The first and foremost reason will be the safety of our family. Built-in knife block help us to keep the knife safely stored and easily accessible. Secondly, they help us to organize the knife and prevents clutter in drawers and countertops by providing a dedicated space for knives. Last but not least, the aesthetic appeal. It adds a professional look to your kitchen. We also have excellent carpentry for our kitchen cabinets and countertops, especially for the customization and innovation that are becoming more and more popular in the current era. Firstly, we offer dedicated cabinet consultant to accompany your journey of buying your own ideal kitchen cabinet and countertops. Secondly, we also go to further as finance your personal ideal kitchen cabinet. We offer 24 months of installments with 0% of interest. Last but not least, you will be given up to 3 times of free 3D drawings, and this is because we want to ensure that our craftsmanship, our customized kitchen cabinet and countertops will eventually meet your needs and desire according to your own household. Finally, remember to visit us at Taman Gaya to lock down the price now with us, as the price of renovation costs are keep increasing due to the supply chain and the economy of Malaysia. Act now.